Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel. MiMi's Makeup. I just woke up and I need to go out to do some stuff early in the morning. Usually I don't wake up that early. It's not very early. But usually I wake up late, like 2-3 p.m. because I'm kind of a night owl, like a real night owl. And this is me after I just woke up and took my shower. So I have all my hair naturally without combing in a small baby bun here, so I can take my shower. I just drinking my coffee and chilling and trying to get myself back into the YouTube vibe, kind of, after 2 weeks of feeling sad or grieving for my friend. He passed away from 2 weeks. I'm still grieving, still sad. I'm trying to process the transcendence of death. It's the first time after being adult to have someone very, very close to me to pass away. So it's kind of hard, especially when you saw like every single week and you are linked somehow. Like, he was a very, very good friend. He was a very good man in every way. So I'm trying to relive again somehow while I am processing this kind of the transcendence and the change, and taking the meaning of true death, because I'm not afraid of death actually. Like, if I'm gonna die now, I'm not afraid at all. But like, experience that someone so close to you like go away and you will never see him or her again. It's kind of hard. I didn't experience that grieving since my father when I was 8 years old. Yeah, a lot of people I know, my aunts, uncles, like, they passed away, but I didn't feel sad at all, which is weird. But in the same time, they did that. I wasn't linked to them or feeling any kind of emotion to them because I didn't see them from a long, long time. So they are not really related to me, but Chica was so close to me. So I'm trying to process everything. So yeah, this is my Romy, and I'm trying to get myself back into makeup and recording video again, because I didn't record especially makeup video from a really, really long time, like a couple of months, and I feel so guilty and feel so sad about it. I'm trying to get myself back onto it. So the main thing I always do when I feel like I lost inspiration for new videos, or I can't do anything and I need some motivation somehow, like pushing me to the direction that I really love. I love creating videos. So what I always do is just watch some like makeup videos like this. So that's what I'm doing right now. I've been doing this the last couple of weeks. It's 2 weeks, so I'm just wake up and trying to wake up, drink my coffee, enjoy myself watching Game of Thrones, which I finished yesterday. I'm so disappointed, and like watching makeup videos and the favorite products and reviews and all this stuff. I love watching these because really helps me to get into the mood of YouTube. I always do that when I really need that. Watching other people's videos give me a lot of information, a lot of way to talk, and like new English language even, and in the same time it gives me inspiration and motivation to do the stuff that I really love when I like the inspiration and motivation somehow. So it's a really great way to like push yourself through difficult times, and when you have this mental block of doing anything, I always do that. And I decided to come to you with a raw face and crazy uncombed bun here, and yeah, so you can enjoy my raw self. So I love you so much, and I hope I'll be with you soon, and see you soon. Bye. You.